Hey boos, so today we're going to be reviewing another synthetic wig. This one comes from Sam's Beauty. They sent over the Sensational Synthetic Lace Front Wig, and this is one of their Vixen wigs. I'm really excited because I didn't even know they had the Vixen, and this is basically a replica of the Vixen sew-in, but in a wig version. How cool is that? This one is Vixen Curly Body 22. It does have Swiss lace, and what's cool, it has 4-way parting. So you see here I'm cutting off the lace in the back. Great thing about having lace in the back is that means you'll be able to bond the wig down. Really cool also is that it has a nice brown color lace. So it's very woman of color, aka brown girl friendly. I'm feeling my baby hair on this one that I was rocking, so I have that one linked down below. But this has 4-way parting, and that means that what's really cool is that they actually parted the 4 ways for you, so you don't have to go in and search and find it. There's baby hair in the front. When you flip it inside out, you have 2 combs in the back, one on each side of the parting, and then you have adjustable straps. But there's 2 separate sets of adjustable straps because it's like the parting in the middle. In the front, I believe there were 4 combs. Each comb is around where the parting is. So I'm going to remove the wig that I had on before, and we're going to get into this new thing. Now, don't clown me, but of course I don't look the bomb when I have the wig first on, but you can see that the parting is already defined. It has really nice brown, parting so that it looks complementary to brown girl skin tone. So as always, I'm going to first work on the baby hair. Really cool that they actually provided the baby hair. You can see that the hairline itself is not realistic, so if you want to go in and tweeze it out, that would be a plus, especially if you want this to look super realistic on you. I'm not going to be doing that today, so I just took a little bit of my Got to Be Glue gel. I'm using the yellow, which I've been trying to give the yellow a shot because you guys know my holy grail is the black one. And on this wig, it did amazing. It was like, it made it so much better than the black one. And I was like, why don't I use this more often? So I just kind of swooped that baby hair. Because this hair is super thick, it's okay to have thicker baby hair. If this had a really thin hairline, this would be way too much. But if I had thin baby hair with this thick hair, you probably would barely even be able to see it. You can also extend that baby hair along the side towards your sideburns. Here I'm showing you a close-up view of each part of the parting. Again, this is 4-way, so you can see it's literally parted 4 different ways. So theoretically, you can do 2 buns, you can do 4 buns, you can do 2 French braids, you can do 4 ponytails. You can do so many versatile things with this wig, and I'm just showing you the little scrunchies that the company already sectioned the hair with. There is a little bit of a flap right there that kind of lifts and it's like noticeable. So if you put an elastic band or if you bond the wig down, you won't be able to see it as much. I personally went ahead and made sideburns, so I was just pulling out the pieces that I was going to add or make sideburns. Be sure to thin that out. What's really cool is that, as you see, I was pulling something off. There are rubber bands already separating that sideburn part because I pulled out a little bit too much, but if you pull out just enough, the sideburns are actually pre-cut to be a little bit shorter. I just pulled out more in my own process. So I'm going to do a half up, half down situation. So this is not what the bun is going to look like. I just want to separate the hair so that I can work on the sideburns and the back of the hair and see what needs to be done. As you can see, the curl pattern on this is super beautiful. You don't really need product. The hair itself is very, very, very full. Feel free to add product. Lately, I really don't add product to my synthetic wigs, and I did not feel like this one needed it at all, but it is a very full wig. It's not heavy. It's not yucky. It's like the perfect texture. This is also my first time trying a color 4 wig, and I actually really like it. I think it will look even better on my skin with a human hair wig. So now I'm checking out the bun because I realized with the back of the hair I really didn't need to do anything but pull, like kind of pull it apart with my fingers. and kind of make sure that the parting is not exposed going horizontal. But no product was needed. And then with the top, I really didn't need to redo the bun, so I just kind of kept the same ponytail and just twisted the bun so it wasn't so big, and kind of play with it. And doesn't it look so cute? Again, go ahead and thin out the hairline if you would like. That would make for the best look. But you guys kind of get the idea of where we're going with this. I almost forgot to add a little bit of powder to the parting. You kind of just see when I turn my head how amazing the parting in the back looks that separates the bun from the hair that's down. So here I'm adding a brown eyeshadow actually to the parting, and as you can see, I'm going to have to use a finger to blend it out a little bit, but this has been working great to conceal the knots. And that's pretty much it. I have this wig linked down below if you guys are interested. It's going to look beautiful in all the other colors as well if you're looking for something more natural. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget I have that 75K giveaway going on where I'm giving away $500 cash. And I'll see you guys in the next one.